In the comfort of your home, you can create a mesmerizing tornado using a simple jar, water, and dish soap. Start by filling a jar about 3/4 full with water and adding a teaspoon of clear dish soap. The magic begins when you securely close the lid and begin swirling the jar in a circular motion. As you stop and observe, a mini tornado forms inside, demonstrating the centripetal force in action. This engaging experiment not only illustrates the dynamics of natural phenomena, but also sparks curiosity about weather patterns and natural disasters. It's a thrilling experiment that brings the powerful forces of nature to a scale that's safe and easy to explore at home.